Should do tens very soon.
Do
Low
tens,
tens, yeah.
I felt like you should do
Yes,
tens, yeah?
should be doing low tens very soon.
You think like JDMs will be back on top?
We are already back.
We're already back.
What to our own?
Yeah.
Bro, this is a stock car.
So what's up guys, welcome back to another video. It's your boy here, Iconix, back at it again with yet another one. So if you watch the channel, Najwa, like I think some few months ago, I think like last month, we were at Masinga, and there was this particular car that really caught the attention because it was one of the only JDM cars that was in the top, was running top numbers, well into the 11 seconds. So I was curious, and I reached out. I wanted to do a garage tour of whatever they, how they go about their builds and what they do. So Leo, if you know, you know. I'm at, Rupal Racing. So guys, to take us through what they do here at Rupal Racing, I'm here with Karan Rupal and Dennis. So I wanted Karan to tell us what they usually specialize in and the future plans on the build that was at Masinga. So you please tell us what you guys do here.
Okay. We are a Subaru workshop.
Yeah.
We fix Subarus, we build Subarus, body shop and everything. So we do welding work, modifications, and that is what we specialize in, Subarus.
Mainly Subaru.
Yeah, mainly Subarus. We do all kind of cars, but Subaru, like if you do a walkthrough, you'll put a 90% is Subaru. But we do all cars, generally all cars. A mechanic is always a mechanic. Yeah, so we do all cars, and the GC8 is behind there.
Yeah.
We are working on it. It is running currently.
Yeah.
Should be running some good numbers very soon. Yeah. So we wait next year.
So you also do tuning?
Yeah. Okay. We have a tuner,
Yeah.
in-house tuner. Whenever we need to get a car tuned, he comes. He does his logs and everything. Sometimes we even do more e-tune with him.
Yeah.
If he's not available and stuff. But yeah.
The name of the tuner?
KJ Tune.
KJ Tune, yeah?
Yeah.
If you've noticed from the previous shot, like all their cars are branded KJ Tune, so
Yes.
KJ Tune, I'll link his Instagram up chini. If you, yeah. So could you like tell us something small about the 11 seconds spread? About it.
Yeah, so it's a car that I used to own some years ago.
Yeah.
And I sold to another guy called Kim.
Yeah.
5 years later, I bought it back. Yeah, so started working on it, say from last year. Bought a full GDB drivetrain and everything. Parked the car, waited for funds. Got the engine, turbo setup and everything. And in Masinga, it should have been faster.
Yeah.
We had some pullbacks. Our intercooler was small. We didn't realize. We're getting a lot of heat soak because of high boost. But now the intercooler is upgraded already. Now we are to a 4-inch intercooler.
Yeah.
So yeah, should do good numbers very soon.
So the engine is fully forged?
Yeah, the engine is fully built.
Yeah.
High lift cams, built short block, big turbo, big injectors, direct port meth injection, like A lot, yeah.
all the good stuff.
Yeah. We have more coming soon.
What turbo are you guys running?
It's a Pulsar. So
Pulsar
we are the dealers, local dealers for Pulsar turbos. Yeah, so this is running a Pulsar 3584 RS, rated for about 900 to 1000 horsepower, but we are nowhere close to it. Yeah, but let's see.
Yeah,
We have big plans for next year.
Yeah, I saw
Yeah.
you guys run. Was it an 11.4?
Yeah, it was an 11.4.
Yeah.
Yeah, with a very shitty 60 foot. Yeah, I think we had issues with our launch control. Yeah, but we'll get it fixed. Should do 10s very soon. Low 10s,
I
yeah.
felt like you should. do
Yes,
10s, yeah?
should be doing low 10s very
You,
soon.
you think like JDMs will be back on top?
We are already back.
You're already back.
What on? Yeah.
So, guys, Karan has promised that next, when he is done with this build, we'll do an episode of Driver's Manual. So we'll get a little bit more in depth when they are done with this car. Currently, the engine is out, huh?
Yeah, the currently engine is out. We are doing some work on it, some slight modifications.
Yeah.
But should be back next week.
Simar, yeah, that is Simar. Amekataa kuja kwa camera, but Karan will give us a walkthrough to one of their builds, huh?
So yes, now this is my younger brother's car, Simar, an N10 STI. It's running a built short block, aftermarket injectors, big fuel pump, big turbo. It has all the goodies one would want to have on their STI.
Yeah.
It's a good weekend car for him.
Yeah.
He only drives it around the weekends, Saturday and Sundays. Yeah, nothing much, just basic, pretty fast. It's good.
What's the size of that turbo?
It's not so big. It's a 3576 Pulsar again. Yeah, as you'll see, all our cars have Pulsars because we are the only dealers in Africa for Pulsars.
Get your Pulsar turbo.
Yes, get your Pulsar turbo from us with discounts.
with discounts.
Yes, that you cannot get anywhere else.
So, so if you have a Subaru, you can come here.
Subaru, Evo, any car, you
Yeah.
need an aftermarket turbo,
Yeah.
reach out to us. We'll get you hooked up with a Pulsar.
So-
whatever size, we will get you with a discount, 10% discount after the retail price. Yes.
So you'll install it for customers.
Yeah, we can install, we can do fabrication, we can do all that for you. Yes, no problem.
Can we get a startup on this car?
Yes.
Yeah. That's awesome, man. So tunaenda for a drive, eh? It's Phil. So this is like your daily.
Yeah. Not daily actually. Now it's a weekend.
It's a weekend
It used to be daily. It used to be daily,
Yeah.
but it's now like a weekend actually.
A weekend car.
Hardly use it.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Nice. So you said it's running like a 1.2 bar.
Like 1.3-ish.
1.3, yeah?
Yeah.
You told me it's for sale.
It's not for sale.
It's not for sale, huh? It will never be for sale.
never.
So this is a 6-speed, huh?
6-speed.
Yeah.
Yeah, 6-speed.
Okay. The gauges are
Pro
from
Sport.
Pro Sport, huh?
Pro Sport.
Look really nice. Not all that colorful stuff guys run.
Some Evo series and all that.
Yeah.
You can do peak and all that. You can change colors.
Oh.
Some funny colors.
Funny.
But anyway, made in US,
Yeah.
a bit accurate.
Okay. They're more better.
Rather than this local chinku ones.
AM, huh?
Games are good. The local one, these people are selling G80s.
Oh, yeah.
Those the misery.
Yeah. Yeah. It's an N10 STI.
And then STI, Stage 3 clutch and all that.
Oh yeah, clutch.
Stage 3
Stage 3.
competition.
So it hooks. I I felt it hook really nice.
Yeah.
So those are like 4-pot front brakes, STI Brembos.
stock.
Okay.
Running coilovers, Cusco.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Cusco coilovers,
Yeah,
huh?
yeah, Cusco coilovers.
Yeah. Nice. It's a nice weekend car. I
good
can
weekend
confirm
car.
that. Huh?
It had a 1.6 bar map.
Yeah.
It was having some issue with misfire, so
Yeah.
we had to return the old map.
Oh, okay. So back to the 1.3, yeah?
Hopefully, we'll put it back.
I hope these guys were recording because. Huh? Wow.
Mischief.
Yeah. That was a 2-3, yeah? Yeah.
Yeah, hello, let me call you back.
That is awesome. You know, sometimes I usually hear people say some things about Subarus. And just wait until you're in one. That is when you'll realize, huh? Yeah, how was it? Thank you so much for that, right? So guys, huku nyuma ndio the magic happens. If you remember that legacy from our previous driver's manual, Dino's car, it's actually going for another transformation. So I believe next year we are going to do another episode. Hapa we have an N14. N14 nasikia it's getting some engine work done. I always say, like, if I get a Subaru, I'll always get the N14 because I really like this shape. Because just look at that, huh? It's a really nice, you know, looking Subaru. And I always like the STI, like white fenders. So yeah, hapa ndio where the magic happens. And paint booth. Yeah. So now unajua a workshop inafanyaga kazi when you see all the builds that are going on, eh? So this is a GF, naona iko na fender flares, also having some paint work done. Another legacy, you know, it's made in Japan, bro. So this is just like they're like engine stock bodywork section. So yeah. So guys, that is Rupal Racing. I hope you enjoyed this garage tour. I hope you learned whatever they do here to make, you know, fast cars. So, and if you're interested in anything, always feel free to hit up Rupal Racing pale on the DMs. I will put the Instagram hapa. And mwambie mimi ndo nimewatuma. So if you want turbos, tuning on your Subaru, Evo, you know, all the good stuff, make sure you hit them up. So peace out. Peace out. See you on the next one.